Nang una kang makita ay tila balewala, hindi man lang pinapansin ng aking damdamin. Ngunit nang makilala at ika'y makausap, biglang nagbago ang takbo ng aking isipan. Para bang may nabubuong kakaibang damdamin sa puso ko, para lamang sa'yo. Ikaw lamang ang nagbigay ng kulay sa puso ko. Walang kabuhay-buhay sa piling mo'y lubos ang kaligayahan ko. Paano na kaya ako kung ika'y wala sa'king piling?
So distracting, am I overreacting for feeling this way?
There's only so many songs that I can sing to pass the time. And I'm running out of things to do to get you off my mind. Oh, all I have is this picture in a frame that I hold close to see your face every day. With you is where I'd rather be, but we're stuck where we are, and it's so hard, you're so far. This long distance is killing me. I wish that you were here with me, but we're stuck where we are, and it's so hard, you're so far. This long distance is killing me. It's so hard where we are, where we are.
I've tried playing it cool, but when I'm looking at you, I can't ever be brave, 'cause you make my heart race. Shot me out of the sky, you're my kryptonite. You keep making me weak, yeah, frozen and can't breathe. Something's gotta give now, 'cause I'm dying just to make you see that I need you here with me now. 'Cause you've got that one thing. So get out, get out, get now, get out of my head and fall into my arms instead. So get out, get out, get out of my head and fall into my arms instead. I don't know what it is, but I need that one thing. Get out, get out, get out of my mind and come on, come into my life.
The other day when someone asked me, are you living your dream? I didn't know what to say. I honestly had to think. I try to be so many places at the same time.